Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, The Mothership Project, and today we will be talking about flashcards. So in my last few videos, we have seen the flashcard method of teaching and learning, how Kabir recognizes the things. So today I will be answering the basic three questions of flashcard method, that is when, where and how. When to start the flashcard method, you can start anytime you feel like. But the ideal stage to start is when your child is sitting up, holding his neck up and maintaining an eye contact. That is the right time to start for babies, and obviously for older kids you can start whenever you feel like. So for babies especially, it is advised to use high contrast cards like black and white cards or red and white cards, because these cards really catch the attention of the child, baby especially. And for older kids, obviously, you can choose any type of card and any topic you feel like. And how to start is, first of all, get the flashcards. You just need a good set of flashcards. So you have to just quickly, I'll demonstrate how to do it. You have to quickly, flash the cards in front of your child like this. Flower, crescent, circle, oval, star, triangle, heart, diamond, square, rectangle. So this is all you have to do. You have to flash very quickly and you do not have to wait for a response from your child. Just flash them. And once you're done flashing the cards, just hold up two cards and ask your child, can you tell me which one is the flower? And in all probability, your child will point some of the correct cards. If your child can't speak, if your child can speak, he can show you. You can ask him which shape is this, right? And also make sure that you keep jumbling the cards and do not maintain the same sequence every time. Keep jumbling the cards, and if you're holding up two cards, make sure to change the position of the correct card so that your child doesn't get the idea that one side is correct, right? So that is about the flashcard method. Yes, you have to be very regular and consistent with it. You have to do it at least once a day, and make sure that your child is in a good mood when you do it, and don't waste too much of time on it. Just 30 seconds to 1 minute, that is it, because longer than that, it just defeats the purpose. Also, if you feel that your child now knows these cards, now knows a particular topic that you wanted to teach him, still make sure that you revise that topic once a week so that your child is in loop with it. Okay. And where to get the flashcards? Now, there are a lot of sources for flashcards. I do not have a particular brand. Cards are easily available on Amazon, First Cry, all the, e-retailers. You can get these cards. Of late, I have started to make my own cards because now I felt that the topics that I want to teach him are not available. And moreover, in a set cards that you, flashcards that you buy, you only get a set of 10 cards or 12 cards, and sometimes you need more, the topic that you're teaching might require more of them. So of late I have started making my own flashcards, and you can also do that if you have a printer at home. So I hope that answers the questions regarding the flashcard method of teaching. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely answer them. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.